And the opposition PNP has responded to criticisms about how the party would fund its housing plans if it forms the next government. PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell and PNP President Mark Golding again took the issue on the campaign trail in St. Elizabeth and St. Anne.
We have a plan to build 50,000 affordable houses in our first 5 years in office. And we have identified public lands not suitable for agriculture that we will make available to the National Housing Commission for them to build affordable housing on. And we are not going to include the value of the land in the price of the house.
Every constituency will get at least 500 of those low-income houses built within that constituency. If the house come to $10 million, and the land part of it is $2.5 million, under the next PNP government, any housing scheme that is built or sponsored by the NHT, the people will not pay for the land portion of the price in the house. You will get the land portion for free. They ask, how can we do that? Yes, we can do it because we are not taking out the $11.4 billion to put into the country budget. We are leaving it with the NHC.
Meanwhile, the PNP is also promising a $1 billion fund to give NHT contributors aged 35 years and younger up to $500,000 towards their deposit for a home. Beneficiaries would have to be contributing to the NHT for 2 years.